Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Open Google Forms and create a new form, then add your first question so the form isn't empty. Once done, insert a section using the two-bar icon to create a second page. This is the structural next page unit. Make sure to name each section clearly so you can route respondents later. Also add at least one question in the new section now, because empty sections can confuse navigation and testing when you set conditional jumps. Now control where users land. Pick a multiple choice or drop-down question and open the three-dot menu to enable Go to Section based on answer. Once that option is active, connect each option to the exact section you created. Choose Continue to Next Section or pick a specific section destination for each answer. This is how you create branching flows and the only dependable way to send people to a distinct next page based on their choice. Test each branch to confirm the routing. Finish by reviewing section endings and whether a section should end the form or continue. Set Submit Form for final sections and continue to next section otherwise. Then use Preview to walk through each branch exactly as a respondent would, verifying that required questions don't block navigation. If something breaks, verify that each option is mapped to a real section and that there are no empty sections or missing required questions. Remapping answers usually fixes broken next page behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.